What's up, everybody? Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Kaito token. Name of the token is Kaito, K-A-I-T-O, and that is also the ticker symbol. Now this token is getting a very big central exchange listing, and we're going to go over the information on this token and talk about how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, this token, it was just announced that it is available as of today. Today is what? February 19th. So it says here, pre-market listing alert. Mexc Global will list the Kaito token for pre-market trading February 19th, 12 o'clock UTC time. So that has already passed. This token is available right now for pre-market trading. So basically, it says trading will also start in the innovation zone. Trading once liquidity requirements are met. So it could be very soon that it's actually full trading is available, maybe even today, because there's 2 announcements actually for this token. But pre-market trading has started. So if you don't know what pre-tokens are, there's a Mexc article about that that you can find on mexc.com, where it basically says, we're thrilled to announce that Kaito will be soon available for pre-market trading, which is available now, 12 o'clock UTC time, February 19th. So it says pre-market trading's over-the-counter trading service offered by Mexc that allows users to buy and sell new tokens before they're officially listed on the exchange. This service lets traders set preferred prices and find matching trades, providing an opportunity to make trades at favorable prices before public launch. By participating in pre-market trading, Mexc users can gain a competitive edge before the tokens are officially issued. So there's that. And then there was another announcement here. It says Mexc initial new listing alert. It says Kaito will be listed on Mexc once liquidity requirements are met. So that could, like I said, that could happen fast. But for now, you can get involved with the pre-market trading and then very soon the full trading. So if you don't have an Mexc Global account and you're looking to get this token, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there. Open an account. Fund your account with USDT, and then you would go into the trade section and search Kaito, and depending on when you do that, you can either buy the pre-tokens or you could buy the full token. So it says Kaito is the distribution center of crypto, where information, attention, and capital moves seamlessly, powered by AI. Kaito AI is building an AI-powered InfoFi network that enables the market to redistribute attention and capital more efficiently while rewarding all participants. This token is on the base chain, and there is a total supply of 1 billion tokens. I'm going to put their Twitter up in the corner of the screen right here. You can see it's a huge project, 222,000 Twitter followers. Has a full link tree there. You can find them at Kaito AI, gold verified check mark there. And their webpage is Kaito AI. They have a document section, docs.kaito.ai. So it says, within crypto, we have developed 2 products with product market fit that are significantly scaling our token network to support more use cases. Both Kaito Pro and Kaito Connect have reached profitability. In the future, we see Kaito evolving to become the interoperable info-fi layer that sits on top of the internet's walled gardens, connecting creators, users, and brands in a fundamental new way. So Kaito Pro is enabling AI-powered market intelligence. Kaito Pro is our AI-powered vertical search engine dedicated to crypto, an essential tool for navigating the industry's fragmented, fast-evolving information landscape. By indexing thousands of sources across social media, governance forums, research, news, podcasts, conference transcripts, and more, and combining this with proprietary search algorithms, semantic LLM capabilities, and real-time analytics, Kaito Pro seamlessly accesses high-quality, actionable insights in the crypto space. Today, Kaito Pro stands as the leading market intelligence platform that is widely used by the majority of crypto teams, researchers, and investors. They have Kaito Yaps, which is tokenizing attention. So Kaito Yaps leverages advanced AI algorithms to extract and interpret rich signals such as social graphs and semantic understanding to quantify attention. This tokenized attention then serves as the open and permissionless building block, enabling numerous use cases, including social-fi development, reward distribution, and more. Kaito Connect is our AI-powered info network that enables the market to distribute attention and capital in a fairer, more transparent, and more efficient way, while rewarding all participants. By leveraging the same underlying technological infrastructure that powers Kaito Pro, centered on information retrieval, knowledge graphs, and semantic understanding, Kaito connects clarity and structure to complex information networks. Our network integrates AI-powered insights and market dynamics to ensure that attention and capital flows to where it creates the most value. So they have the AI platform, which is Kaito Pro. Kaito Pro is the essential tool for navigating the crypto's industry fragmented and fast-evolving information landscape. And they have the problem and solutions, but their core features basically for Kaito Pro is purpose-built indexing, real-time intelligence, comprehensive features tailored to crypto like meta search, sentiment analytics, smart alerts and dashboards, token mindshare, narrative mindshare, catalyst calendar, auto library, AI copilot. And you can learn more about the Kaito Yaps and Kaito Connect and all that on their document section, docs.kaito.ai. And the token is the network currency. It's driving market forces and is for community governance. So go check this token out. Let me know in the comments down there. What do you guys think about this project? Do you think this is a good investment or what? Like this video. Definitely check out all the referral codes down there, especially that Mexc global one. And if you want to help support the channel, you could hit that join button. I just launched a new Twitter and X for this channel. If you want to check that out, that's in the description box as well. You can follow me on Twitter. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.